Hi students, ninth English Unit 2 Prose. I can't climb trees anymore. Written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born on 9th May 1934. He is an award-winning Indian author of the British descent. He is originally from British. He is much renowned for his role in creating children's books in India. In India, he is well known for creating children's book, story books, and which are the things maybe children interested. He is good in creating those kinds of books. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. That is, the Indian Council for Children Education, அதாவது குழந்தைகள் படிப்பு அந்த நலனில் அந்த ஆர்கனைசேஷனில் உள்ளவங்க இவரை இவருடைய ஸ்டோரிஸ் and the written works are enhancing the children's growth. So they have recognized him for the good growth of children. He received the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dera. For that book, he has received Sahitya Akademi. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. Now we shall see the summary of this. The whole lesson we shall see in nutshell. This lesson is all about is a visitor watching the old house which was not changed. It was built with granite stones, but a new outhouse with fewer trees were there. Only the outside portion was something seems to be new and few trees were there. The jackfruit tree was still there giving shade. And there was a jackfruit tree and that jackfruit tree was still there. Innu ange irundhathu. His grandmother felt the shade was a blessing from the tree. Usually this is a saying, if the shade of the tree falls on our house, it is a great blessing. The old people used to say, if the shade falls on the house, and that house is a blessed house. As a boy, he used to swing on a turnstile going round and round. So that stranger was looking at that, staring at that house, When he was young, he was playing on the trees, swinging, ஊஞ்சலெல்லாம் ஆடி இருந்திருக்கிறாரு. Now it was gone. இப்போ அது எதுவுமே கிடையாது. The tall hollyhocks grew on other side of the wall. So the trees, everything on the matra wall it was grown. The girl stood between the red hollyhocks staring at the man. So on the wall on the opposite side a little girl was standing and she was staring at this man. She was 12 or 13 years old. She was only 12 or 13 years old and she was very thin with lovely eyes and long black hair. The girl asked the man whether he wanted to buy the house. She is asking, do you want to buy this house? The girl said it was her father's house and that he was a colonel. The girl is saying this was my father's house. She says that her mother said that he should have become a brigadier. They stood on either side of the wall, appraising each other. So, to the wall of this side and that side, these both were standing and talking. The man said that he looked at the house because he lived there once and there had sold the house after his grandmother's death. So that man is saying to her, this was the house once upon a time I lived, and after my grandmother's death, we have sold this house. She asked whether he would like to buy the house then. She is asking to him, do you want to buy this house now? Later she realized he didn't have the money as he didn't look prosperous. Then afterwards she is thinking, first she asked, do you want to buy this house? Then afterwards she is thinking, maybe he is not having, he doesn't want to buy because this house doesn't seems to be prosperous. Prosperous means பழுகி பெருகி வில் சே, அதாவது ஒரு சின்ன திங்ஸில் இருந்து அது இன்னும் நிறைய பழுகி பெருகி வரும் இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி இல்லை போல், அதனால தான் வாங்கலை. பிகாஸ் in the beginning of this summary we saw that this house was as before, so there was no change at all. See the house that had not changed, so எந்த சேஞ்சுமே இல்லாதனால it doesn't seems to be prosperous, so அதனால ஒரு வேளை வாங்கலையோ. He said he only wanted to see it, and the girl said that they had lived there for 3 years. He is saying to that little girl, no, I just want to see this house. I want to see, to recall, to memorize the old. Sometimes when we go somewhere to the familiar place where we have passed our childhood days, we feel, seems to be that is our hometown, and we just we like to stand and spend some time there. So like that he just wanted to see that. And this girl is saying, we just living here 3 years. She called him in to have a better view of the house, and that her parents wouldn't mind. She is telling to him, come here, come inside, and இன்னும் நல்லா வந்து பாருங்க, இதை விட இன்னும் நல்லா பார்க்கலாம், better view. My parents will not scold you, they won't mind, you come. She finds that he is middle-aged. He climbed the wall, got up on the wall, and rested, breathing heavily. So he is just climbing on the wall, அந்த சுவத்தில் ஏறி ஒரு பெருமூச்சு விடுறாரு. She said he would help him on the flying trapeze. Come, I'll help you. She gave him her hand. அவ கை கொடுத்து தூக்கி விடுறதுக்கு ரெடியாக இருக்கா. He slipped down into a flower bed. அவரால் ஏற முடியலை, வழுக்கி அந்த ஃப்ளவர் இருந்த அந்த இதில் விழுந்துட்டாப்ல. Breaking the stem of the hollyhock. அப்போ அந்த பிளான்டோட அந்த ஸ்டெம்மு வந்து உடஞ்சிருச்சு. Across the grass he spotted a stone bench under a mango tree. So across the grass, ஸோ அந்த புல்வெளியில் ஒரு பெஞ்சு போட்டு, அந்த பெஞ்சில் மேங்கோ ட்ரீ கடியில் ஒரு பெஞ்சு போட்டிருக்காப்புல. It was the bench where his grandmother sat trimming rose bushes and bougainvillea. ஸோ அந்த பெஞ்சு அப்போ ஹிஸ் கிராண்ட்மதர் இருந்தப்போ அந்த மரத்தில் அந்த பெஞ்சில் இருந்துக்கிட்டு தான் அந்த புஷஸ், அந்த புதர் செடிகளெல்லாம் அவங்க கிராண்ட்மதர் ட்ரிம்மிங், ஸ்பெஷலி போகன்வில்லா. போகன்வில்லா இஸ் நத்திங் பட் த காகிதப்பூ. He wanted to sit outside. She sat with him on the bench. So the little girl also sat with him on the bench. They were silent, and the man closed his eyes. The veranda and his grandfather repairing the old car. கொஞ்ச நேரம் ரெண்டு பேருமே அமைதியாக அதில் உட்காந்துருந்தாப்புல. While sitting, this man closed his eyes and remembered the music of a piano. அந்த இடத்துல இருந்து he was just recalling the old memories, just like music of piano, chimming of grandfather clock, அந்த grandfather-உடைய அந்த clock அடிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறதையும், the noise of birds on the veranda, அந்த verandaல அந்த பேர்ட்ஸோட சவுண்டையும், அந்த grandfather repairing the old car, எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் அந்த ஓல்டு காரில் அடிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்கிறது ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்க அந்த மெமரிஸ், all that this man was recalling. He remembered climbing the jackfruit tree. So now he's just recalling and remembering how he used to climb when he was young. She said her parent wouldn't mind him climbing the tree. My parents won't say anything, you just climb, she's telling. He only wanted to sit and talk for a few minutes. So he doesn't want to climb because he's unable to climb now. He's already middle-aged. So he only now wanted to sit and talk for a few minutes. His favorite place was the jackfruit tree. அவருடைய அந்த ரொம்ப பிடிச்சமான ஒரு இடம் வந்து jackfruit tree. He said he used to keep his treasures in the hollow of the tree. He said to that little girl, here is the place in the jackfruit, in the trunk of the jackfruit tree, there is a hollow. Hollow means hole. Okay? Other hollow is the palm of our hand. There are two hollows. One hollow is on the palm of the hand. I'll keep you in the hollow of the heart. So here this hollow is the hole of the tree. So on the jackfruit tree உள்ள அந்த ஹோலில் தான் I used to keep all my treasures. What may be the treasures of the young, just growing ones at the age of 13, 12? What may be the treasures? They are the pambaram, kolika, and these kinds of some keychain or say any memorable things. These are the things might have been those 13 to 12 years old children may just possess. So the treasures were only marbles, that is on the kolika. He had a book he wasn't supposed to read. அவங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ் வந்து இந்த புக்கை நீ படிக்கக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொன்ன அந்த ஒரு புக்கையும் ட்ரெஷராக பதுக்கி வச்சுருக்காப்புல. ஓல்டு காயின்ஸ், கிராண்ட்ஃபாதர்ஸ் அயன் கிராஸ், பழைய நாணயங்கள், அந்த கிராண்ட்ஃபாதருடைய அந்த பழைய கிராஸ் சிலுவை, அவார்டட் ஃபார் பிரேவரி டூரிங் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேர்ல்டு வார் இன் ஃப்ரான்ஸ். அந்த தாத்தா கொடுத்த அந்த ஒரு பழைய சிலுவை, அந்த சிலுவை வந்து அவருடைய வீரத்துக்காக அந்த டூரிங் ஃப்ரான்ஸ் அந்த வேர்ல்டு வார் அப்போ அவருக்கு அந்த ஃப்ரான்ஸில் அந்த கொடுத்த ஒரு ஓல்டு கிராஸ், அதையும் அதுக்குள்ளே பத்திரமா வச்சுருக்காப்புல. He got it from a German soldier. ஸோ அந்த தாத்தா வந்து அந்த கிராஸ் அந்த சிலுவையை வந்து ஒரு ஜெர்மன் சோல்ஜியர்கிட்ட இருந்து அவருக்கு கிடைக்கப்பட்டிருக்கு. She asked whether he had the goodbye before sailing in the ship. He forgot all about it. She asked whether he had the iron cross. He didn't. He had left in the jackfruit tree. இப்போ அது இருக்கான்னு கேட்டப்ப he said no, I had left it in the jackfruit tree. Being very excited at that time, he is telling, when we were getting transferred and going, I was very much excited. ரொம்ப பரபரப்பாக இருந்ததுனால அந்த டைமில் I forgot to take it all. Goodbye கொடுத்துட்டு போகிற அந்த டைமில் I forgot it. Thinking it might still be there in the hollow of the tree, he said, unless someone else found it. Since 25 years had passed, 25 வருஷம் ஆயிட்டு யாராவது அதை பார்த்து எடுத்திருந்தால் ஒழிய அது அங்கேயே இருக்கும். He said he can't climb trees anymore to have a look, and she said she would. She found it and ran towards him with a rusty old medal in her hand. So she climbed on the tree and saw, and all that things were there, and she found that, and she was running with that old medal. ஓல்டு மெடலை கையில் வச்சுட்டு ரொம்ப வேகமாக ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் கொடுக்க ஓடி வராப்புல. He said sure that it was the same iron cross. He's telling yes, உண்மையிலேயே இதுதான் அந்த iron cross. She asked him whether he had come to find it. This little girl is asking him, நீங்கள் இதை எடுக்க தான் வந்தீங்களா? He said he wasn't sure and asked her to have it as she found it, and that it would have even been there for another 25 years. See, he is telling, I don't know, it might have been there. I never thought it will be there. But since you saw and found it, you keep it for you. Because if you have not seen this, இன்னும் 25 வருஷத்துக்கு அது அங்கேயே இருக்கும், அதை யாரும் பார்த்து எடுக்கல அப்படின்னா. He placed the medal in her hands and said, ஸோ அந்த இதை நீ பார்த்து எனக்கு எடுத்து கொடுத்ததுனால இதை நீயே வச்சுக்க, யூ டிசர்வ் இட். அதனால அவள் கையில் கொடுத்துட்டாப்ல. And said he had come for his youth and not for the iron cross. So he is telling to that little girl, I have come, என்னுடைய old memories, youth, என்னுடைய இளமையை நினைவு கூறுவதற்கு, அதுக்கு தான் நான் வந்தேனே ஒழிய இந்த ஓல்டு கிராஸ் எடுக்க நான் வரலை. As he walked away to the bus stop, he remembered his youth, and the air filled with the smell of the sweet mango and summer breeze made his blood rush in his veins, forgetting the feel that he was so old that he couldn't climb trees anymore. As he was going back to get bus, he was remembering all that. ஸோ அந்த இளமையான அந்த டைமில் அந்த மேங்கோ ட்ரீனுடைய ஸ்மெல், அந்த சம்மர் ப்ரீஸ், அந்த இது எல்லாமே அவருடைய இரத்த ஓட்டத்தை அதிகப்படுத்தியது, வேகப்படுத்தியது. இப்போ அவரால் அந்த மரத்தில் ஏறி அதை பார்க்க முடியலை அப்படிங்கிற அந்த ஒரு நினைப்பையே மறந்து அந்த இளமையான டைமில் இருந்த அதே ஒரு வேகமும் அந்த ஒரு சந்தோஷமும் அந்த ஒரு இதுவும் அந்த இப்போ அவரால் கூட மரம் கூட ஏற முடியலையே அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு அந்த மேட்ரை மறக்க வச்சுட்டு அந்த பழைய நினைவுகள், அந்த இளமை நினைவுகள். தட்ஸ் ஆல். தட் இஸ் வை த நேம் ஆஃப் த லெசன் இஸ் ஐ காண்ட் கிளைம் ட்ரீஸ் எனிமோர். இப்போ அவரால் மரம் ஏற முடியலை, மரத்துலலாம் ஏற முடியலைனாலும் அந்த பழைய நினைவுகள் வந்து ஒரு நல்ல உயிரூட்டத்தை கொடுத்தது.